In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a two-way sync between Notion and Google Calendar. By the end, your events will stay updated in both places automatically, so you can plan your day from whichever tool you prefer without worrying about things going out of date. To start, open Notion Calendar on your computer. It's easiest to do this in a browser or the desktop app, so you can see all the options clearly. Make sure you're logged into the correct Notion account that you actually use for your workspace. If you use multiple accounts, it's worth double checking this now so you don't end up syncing the wrong calendar later. Once Notion Calendar is open, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where your different calendars and connections live. You should see an option that says Add Calendar Account. Go ahead and click that. This is the entry point for connecting external calendars, and it's what will let Notion talk directly to Google Calendar. When you click Add Calendar Account, a small window or panel will pop up with different services you can connect. Today, I'll show you how to connect Google Calendar specifically, since that's one of the most common tools people use. In that window, look for the option that says Connect Google Calendar and click it. As soon as you choose to connect Google Calendar, you'll be redirected to a Google sign-in or permission screen. Here, Google is essentially asking whether you're okay with letting Notion Calendar see and manage your calendar events. This is what enables the two-way sync. Take a moment to read the permissions so you're comfortable with what's being shared, then click to continue or allow access. Now, this next part is important for making sure the sync actually works the way you expect. You need to confirm that Google Calendar and Notion Calendar are using the same Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, like one for work and one for personal use, it's very easy to accidentally connect the wrong one. When Google prompts you to pick an account, check the email address carefully. Then, in Notion Calendar, confirm you're linking that same account. If your events live in your work Google Calendar, make sure you pick that same work account here. Matching these accounts is what ensures that events created in Notion show up on the right Google Calendar, and that changes in Google Calendar flow back into Notion. If you realize you picked the wrong account, don't worry, you can disconnect the calendar in Notion settings and repeat the connection process, this time selecting the correct Google account. It's much easier to fix this at the setup stage than later after you've already started creating events. Once everything is connected and the accounts match, your two-way sync is ready to go. From now on, when you create or edit events in Notion Calendar, those changes will appear in your Google Calendar. And if you update events in Google Calendar, those changes will come back into Notion, keeping both tools aligned. That's all you need to do to create a reliable two-way sync between Notion and Google Calendar.